Hi, y'all. I am here to talk about spring. So, something that comes along with spring is some spring maintenance on your home. It's not something that everybody talks about much, but if you're a homeowner and even if you're renting, these are some things you need to check out as spring comes along. When I first purchased my home, I had a great home inspector who actually provided me with a book that kind of just gives you what you should be looking at each season as the seasons change. That kind of breaks it down to where it's manageable to do home maintenance. And really, it's something that if you don't do over time, gets really costly and save you a lot of money in the long run if you can just do the maintenance a little bit at a time. So I thought I'd just share some of the things that you might want to look at now that spring has sprung and that the weather is getting warmer. So I'm just going to take a look at this booklet. If you need a list of this, feel free to email me or text me after the video and I'll get this information to you as well. So if you have French drains, you might want to have those cleaned out. If you live up north and have a basement, your little storm wells, your window wells. Check your doors, windows, anywhere that the trim is at for failure in any way. Check your glazed windows for missing putty or anything like that. Check for broken glass, damaged weather stripping at the doors for damage. That will save you a lot of money in the summer. This is Texas. It's about to get hot, and you definitely want those sealed up good. Especially, even go ahead and check the caulking around the windows and around the door and around the frames to make sure that that still looks good. You might want to check your masonry outside for cracks and loose joints. Painted surfaces to make sure there's no decay or failure. I know this is a great time if you're thinking about repainting your house. I would say check especially toward the bottom of your garage and the bottom of the door frames outside. Sometimes that wood there starts to get a little damaged in the weather and stuff. Pretty much damaged flashing. Check your roof. This time of year, a lot of people get new roofs around this time because this is when the hail comes, the straight line winds, and all those things in Texas. Roof inspections are typically free. If you need a good roofer, just let me know. I know several, and I would highly recommend any of the ones we worked with. You might want to check on some of those things. Make sure your chimney cap is in place where it should be. There's no bird's nests up there. Mostly spring is about checking around the outside of the house, which, a lot of us want to spend time outdoors, especially after being up in the cold all this time. So it's a good time to just kind of take a little walk and give your house some love. Anyways, if you need any contractors for any of these things, maybe you want your home inspected. You don't only have to get a home inspection when your home is, being purchased. Sometimes you might want to take a look at it, especially if you haven't done maintenance in a long time. If you want a roof inspector, if you need a contractor to do any of these items for you, once you've decided if you need some work done, feel free to reach out to me. I can recommend several good contractors for all of these things. Anyways, I hope you guys are enjoying your spring and enjoying this new weather. Hope you guys are having a great time. And if you need anything, especially if it's coming to buying or selling a home or a referral for a contractor, reach out to me right after the video. You can reach me at 940-735-5260, or you can check out our website at www.real.estate. Bye.